Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can reset Messenger pin code on your mobile. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your Messenger app and then log into your account and go to main menu, and there you will see on the top settings button. Click on that and then you will see over here the fourth option on the top, privacy and security. Click on that and then you will comes in this page. Simply do is click on the end-to-end encrypted chats in security. Simply click on that and then click on the top option, messages storage, and then you will comes in this page, and you will see over here the 5 options over here. You have to simply do is click on the fourth option called reset pin over here. In this, how you're signing your chat history. So simply click on reset pin and then type over here the new pin that you want to add over here. Like I want to add this pin over here, so simply do is type over here and then click on continue and your pin will be reset. So that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.